Do you love summer gardening? For summer gardening, a hose reel cart is mandatory. To buy one, follow our instructions. Number 1. Most popular. Suncast JSF 175 feet Hosemobile reel cart. Ideal for those that are really struggling with enough space in their garden, the Hosemobile is so compact, and its 175 feet capacity for a 5/8" hose makes it the perfect addition to any modest garden where people don't have enough space. For those that need easy transportation, its two 6-inch wheels makes it effortless to transport your hose around the garden. But the major highlight of this is the price. It is a bargain in comparison to so many other garden hoses, where pricier models can come with functions far inferior to this. Number 2. Liberty Garden 870M1-2 Hose Reel Cart. This is a 4-wheeled version of the quality hose reel cart. As many have 2 wheels with a stand for practicality, 4 wheels is always going to trump its 2-wheeled counterpart. This version is great for a 300-foot hose around the large reel drum, making it ideal for large gardens. If you are looking for maneuverability, the tires are evenly spaced out and raised, making it perfect if you have a garden that slopes. And while many people worry about the wheels, Number 3. FDW Garden Hose Reel Cart. This makes short work of the business of watering your garden. With its easy assemble, you can get to work quickly. A 300 feet 5/8" hose reel capacity makes it ideal to go around a small garden a good few times. The long hose reel capacity is crucial, especially for those gardeners who need a multi-purpose yard tool. This is ideal in any weather due to its WeatherCoat rust-resistant cart and is surprisingly lightweight. If your garden slopes, it's a foam-padded handle with a non-slip grip. Number 4. Fit Right Garden Hose Reel Cart. Another high-capacity, 4-wheeled hose reel cart, this garden hose reel cart is designed to meet the needs of highly demanding applications. Designed for versatile use, this cart also features a padded handle for comfortable pushing and pulling. Fit Right Water Hose Reel Cart comes with 4 to 10 pneumatic tires and durable powder coat finish, keeps the hose reel neat and ready to use. Water Hose Reel Cart Garden Hose Reel Cart 300-foot water hose storage basket heavy-duty water hose reel carts. Number 5. Ames Aluminum Hose Reel Cart. For those looking for a functional and stylish hose reel cart that is designed to sturdier than plastic carts, while still being unsusceptible to rust, this aluminum hose reel cart is definitely worth considering. The cart features a mixed material design that includes soft touch wheels and an anodized aluminum frame. My old hose cart restricted water pressure and leaked besides. This one lets water flow freely and doesn't leak. I've got a 100/3/4" hose on it, and I've got no problem maneuvering the hose cart. Number 6. Ironton Garden Hose Reel Cart. A totally different design and approach now with this tubular steel-framed wheeled hose cart from Ironton. At the base, you'll find 4 10-inch pneumatic tires with solid steel axles for handling all kinds of terrain, so you've no need to worry about pushing this unit over any kind of lawn. Made to hold 300 feet of 5/8" hose, there's more than enough room here for a generous hose length for most needs. A 6-foot leader hose is included, as is a handy, integrated basket close to the push handle. Number 7. PayLessHere Garden Hose Reel Cart. This easy-to-assemble hose cart holds up to 300 feet of garden hose, and should be more than enough for most yard watering requirements. With a reinforced, heavy-duty steel frame, it has been powder-coated to protect the unit from the elements, while the 10-inch rubber pneumatic tires ensure it can tackle any kind of terrain. A storage basket is included for convenient access to any accessories or other gardening tools, and the foam-covered handle makes it comfortable to push around your property with ease. An attractive green finish completes the package. For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.